For example, landmark dito. Ha? Ito yung paa ninyo. At saka ito rin yung kamay. Okay, ha? So, this one right here. Okay? So, patindigin natin ito para mabilis. Okay, ha? Nakatindig na yun siya. Okay? So, ang sa taas, your toes are the head area. The toes are the head area. Okay, ha? Listen, ha? The toes are the head area. Below, this part right here, okay, is the chest and lungs area or chest area. Okay, para alam niyo ano yung landmark ng inyong mga kamay. Paano kayo makahilot kung hindi niyo yan alam. Okay, so yung chest area ninyo is on this part right here. This part right there. Okay, ha? So, chest area yan. Sa paa naman ito. Ito yung buko-buko, di ba na? Okay, ha? So, that is your chest area as well. Then, this part right here is already very soft, right? Na? Ito also is very soft na, di ba? Okay, this one is still bony, correct? The bony part is your chest. Sa foot ninyo, bony part still your chest. Pagdating sa dito na side, parang nag-arco siya, yun na yung diaphragm ninyo.
Diaphragm line.
Okay, ha? So, yan na yung diaphragm ninyo. Ito na yung diaphragm right here. Sa inyong paa naman, this is your diaphragm. Okay, ha? So, yung malambot na sa gitna, this one right here, you just touch it. It's very soft, right na? This is your abdominal area. Yung abdomen ninyo. Whatever organs in your abdomen is in this part of your foot, is on this part of your hand. Okay, ah? Now, let's go to the, kasi imaginary line yan. Okay, ah? So, imaginary line right here. Okay, below it, kalahati nito, di ba? Ito na yung abdominal mo. Ito na rin yan siya, ha? Kaya siyempre, ikaw ito, ako yan. This is your whole body actually. This is your whole body. Okay, ah? So, below it one, andito ka na. This one right here, okay, ah? So, that is already your pelvic area. Ito part na ito. Ano yung nasa pelvic area mo? Yung reproductive system. Okay, ah? Reproductive system, anus, nandyan sa may pelvic area. Okay, ah? And then below it, yung anus mo nandyan sa ilalim. Nandito yung anus mo. Okay, ah? Alright. Now, let's go to the line para alam niyo yung linya na imaginary line. Kasi kanina, nasa land na kayo. Mapa, di ba, no? Boundary. Ngayon, doon kayo sa boundary. What it, ano na natin kung ano yung boundary na yun. Yung iyong toes ay po, what is this one again?
Head area.
Head area yan. Now, let's go to the line. Yung line na yun.
Neckline.
That is your neck. Ito. Pagpunta sa likod, ha? Yan yung neckline mo. Okay, ha? And then yung shoulder mo, because ang shoulder is nasa labas, okay? Your shoulder should be on this part right here. Your shoulder is on this side. Yung foot mo, ang shoulder is sa labas. Okay, nakita niyo paano nyo, di ba, no? Yung sa labas na part, before buko-buko, yan yung shoulder mo actually.
Ayun na ganun.
Yes. Okay, ah? So, yung linya doon, sa may pinky, o small toes, shoulder line. Kung masakit ang iyong shoulder, doon mo siya i-press.
Massage.
Okay, ah? Kung masakit ang ulo mo, press your toes. Kung masakit ang mata mo, press this tree. Because this one is the eyes. The tree. Okay, ah? Now, let's go to the shoulder line right here. And then again, just now I told you, this one right here is diaphragm. Yung diaphragm nandyan naman. Nakita niya naman yung dami, di ba, no? May diaphragm. Diaphragm ng baby as well, di ba na? So, yan yung diaphragm line. And then below, this part right here, kasi hatiin mo yan siya. Sa gitna is waistline ito. Okay, ah? So, kung gusto mong kung masakit yung dito, gusto mo i-masahe pa sideways, okay? Pwede mo yan sa finger walking all the way to the other side. Okay, ah? Across. Okay? Then, below nito, kasi natin yung dalawa, pelvic line. Pelvic line. Doon na yung sa may heel mo. Okay, ah? So, dito naman yung sa ilalim. Okay? So, these are all the lines that you have to memorize para alam niyo kung paano magmasahe reflexology. Reflex massage. Okay, ah? And the landmark as well. Dapat alam niyo yan. Kaya, kung gusto niyo magmasahe talaga, as bilang reflexology, no? Reflexologist, dapat alam niyo kung ano yung minamasahe niyo. Ano yung nandoon sa landmark na yun. Okay, ah?
Okay.
Alright. So, yung solar plexus is always in the middle. Okay, yung solar plexus. Solar plexus, ang tawag dito. Ito.
Solar.
Solar plexus kasi siya yung sentro ng inyong katawan. So, kayo ay may anxiety. If your patient has anxiety, you okay, hook it down.
Anxiety. Anxiety.
Okay, ah? So, i-press mo ito. Press this one, and then you have to hook it down. The same thing with the foot. You have to press down the toes towards you, and then press it downward. That is called hooking.
Hooking.
Yeah? Nandyan din yan sa inyong manual. That is a part of the yung sinasabing then next is and then yung gitna. Spinal column mo. Yan siya. Ma-depress. Dito mo siya i-massage. Pag masakit ang likod, okay, ang spinal column, you have to press it right here. Okay?
Upward or downward?
Usually is going